Cinnamon. It's in your tea, your coffee, maybe even your breakfast. But what if I told you this common spice is quietly affecting your blood sugar, your heart, and even how your body ages? Most people use cinnamon for taste, but scientists have discovered it does something far more powerful inside your body. And if you're not using it the right way, you could be missing out, or even putting your health at risk. Let's break down what cinnamon is really doing to your body and the best way to use it. One of cinnamon's most powerful effects is how it controls blood sugar. And it doesn't just do this in one way. It works through multiple systems in your body. First, it improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells can absorb sugar from your blood more effectively. Second, it slows down how quickly your body breaks down carbohydrates, so sugar enters your bloodstream more gradually. And third, research suggests it may help lower fasting blood sugar and long-term glucose levels. That means fewer energy crashes, fewer cravings, and more stable energy. Here's something most people overlook: inflammation. It's a silent process happening inside your body, and it's linked to many chronic diseases. Cinnamon contains powerful compounds like cinnamaldehyde that help reduce inflammation markers. And the scary part? You might not feel inflammation until it becomes a serious problem. Your heart depends on more than just one thing. It depends on your cholesterol, blood pressure, and circulation. Cinnamon appears to support all three. It may help lower bad cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and even support healthy blood pressure over time. It's not just helping your heart, it's improving the entire system. Inside your body, there's a constant battle between free radicals and antioxidants. Free radicals damage your cells and speed up aging. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants called polyphenols that help protect your cells from this damage. In fact, it ranks higher than many foods called superfoods. This tiny spice is protecting your body at the cellular level. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some early research suggests cinnamon may support brain health. It may help protect brain cells, improve memory, and reduce harmful protein buildup. But it's important to be honest, this research is still developing. Not a miracle cure, but definitely promising. Cinnamon doesn't just support your body, it helps defend it. It has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help fight harmful microbes. That's one reason it has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's helping your body fight back. If you struggle with cravings, this part matters. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, which plays a major role in hunger and appetite. When your blood sugar is stable, you feel full longer and crave less. Some studies even suggest it may support weight control over time. But here's where things get serious. Not all cinnamon is the same. The type most people use, which is cassia cinnamon, contains high levels of coumarin. In large amounts, this may harm your liver. The better option? Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. It contains much lower levels and is safer for daily use. If you want to use cinnamon the right way, add it to tea, sprinkle it on oats, mix it into smoothies, or add it to coffee. You don't need a lot. About half to 1 teaspoon daily. More is not better. Consistency is what matters. So now you know, cinnamon isn't just a spice. It's a powerful compound affecting your body in ways most people ignore. Were you already using cinnamon before this video, or is this something new? And more importantly, have you been using the right type? Drop your answer in the comments. Want to learn about 16 best food to help boost your immunity? Then watch the video on screen now.